Do you have a t-shirt with a stretched out collar that you'd like to fit properly? We'll show you how to shrink your t-shirt collar without causing harm to them. Hi there, welcome to TextileTuts, where you can learn at large. We've tailored this video to give you 3 different DIY techniques for shrinking your t-shirt's collar without ruining the shirt. This is a great way to make sure your shirts fit better and are more comfortable to wear. So, whether you're trying to save an old favorite or want a more fitted look, our techniques will do the trick. There are 3 ways that you can shrink a t-shirt collar. Either by using boiling water, by using a vinegar mixed hot water, or by using an iron. The boiling technique. In this technique, the first thing you want to do is soak your shirt in warm water for about 5 minutes. This will up the fibers of the fabric and make it easier to shrink. Next, fill a pot with boiling water and place your shirt in it. Make sure that the entire collar is submerged in the boiling water. Let the shirt soak for about 3 minutes, then remove it from the pot and rinse it in cold water. You can repeat the process until you're happy with the fit of the t-shirt collar. The ironing technique. Start by soaking your shirt in warm water for 5 minutes. Then, place the shirt on an ironing board and put a towel over the collar. Iron the towel-covered collar until it's dry. Lastly, remove the towel and check the fit of the t-shirt collar. The vinegar technique. When you use vinegar, you'll have to mix it with hot water in a ratio of equal part vinegar to equal part water. Soak your shirt in the mixture for about 5 minutes, then remove it and rinse it in cold water. You can repeat the process until you're happy with the fit of your t-shirt collar. Now, you might wonder, why does boiled vinegar water shrinks cloth? The acidity in vinegar breaks down the fibers in cloth, causing it to shrink as the effect of boiled vinegar water on cloth. The vinegar and the heat both causes the fibers in the fabric to contract, leading to overall shrinkage in the fabric, giving you the expected fit for your t-shirt collar. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something new today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this.